Today I'm gonna clean my rim, and this is the soap that I use. I think I got it from Walmart. I'm not sure. It works pretty good. I filled up the bucket and everything to get everything started. I'm gonna waste no time. So let me just wet the rim first, which I already did, and just, just get your hand in there. I have tire shine, but I don't have it with me. But I used it before and works really good. I'd like to get back here, on the inside. They sell things to get back there, so it's easier if you don't have small hands, which I have, but I just didn't bring it with me because I forgot. And now, just take the hose and squirt everything down. Normally I use the air hose and I blow it out, and so I don't get water everywhere and tire shine. But yeah, brand new, shiny.